This is 32 GB of DDR5 RAM made by ORICO. As you can see, it's two sticks of 16, 6400 megahertz, which is pretty much what you need. You don't need more than that. This is amazing. 6400 is enough. More important thing is that the timings are good. Timings are CL 32, 39, 39, 102, which are great timings. I really like the packaging. The packaging is amazing. Nice and sealed package. Compare this to your standard packaging, which is like more fragile, I believe. This looks very nice and professional and kind of premium, to be honest with you. Although the price is great, as you can see here, it's $85.49 on a 5% sale. It's a great price for these specs. Here it says it has efficient cooling, one-click overclocking, and look over here, it supports XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo. Here is the barcode. Nice and sealed package. I really like that. This is where we're going to install it. The process is similar for all computers, and I'm gonna show you. First, let's unbox it. Well sealed. I like that. It also protects against humidity. Oops. I hit the omen. Should be fine. Let's see here. How do we open it? Okay, just like that. Nice black box. And here we get the RAM. We get some manual, some papers. Here it shows you how to do it. Pretty simple. And here is nice plastic packaging. And here is the RAM. ORICO. Serial numbers over here, 16. It shows you the timings again, 1.4 volt. So it has like metal over here. This is some kind of like a heat sink, if you will, a radiator to disperse the heat. That's amazing. I've had RAM without it and it was fine, but for 64 megahertz, good timings, it'll probably help a little bit. So it's heavy, by the way. It's really heavy. The weight of it is probably more than the package of two of those other ones I have. Looks like an expensive and premium RAM, to be honest with you. I didn't expect this from ORICO. ORICO is a little bit less known brand, but it's a real brand. It's not something off. I used the SSDs and they were pretty good. So computers usually come with one or two screws on the back. So first we are going to unscrew it. Then you would generally need to take out the back cover. Usually goes like this, sometimes falls this way. Here we have a computer, has a very basic specs. It's RTX 4060 i5, and we got only one stick of 16 here. How amazing, they put only one stick, so it's single channel. But I have another computer like this, so I'm gonna use this stick with another one to make it 32 as well. But this one gonna be with ORICO. Okay, so in order to remove the RAM, let me place it here. Okay, you need to, there are brackets here. You need to push one and then push the other. You would benefit if you have small fingers. This one is not the tightest, so this is stock RAM, HP, looks very cheap. Look, this RAM versus this RAM. Which one looks better? HP or ORICO? This one looks super basic. We're gonna have two ORICOs here. So you're gonna open the other one, since we're installing two. You're gonna open those brackets. These are open now. And now most important thing is to put it correct way. and you can't really put it in correct way, you'll just break it. First you gotta have a feel how it goes, so you need kinda measure it, like see, is it this way or is it the other way, right? So this way it doesn't fit this one because these two sides are different size, so you need to make sure you put it correct way, which is this way in this case. So I like to put one close to CPU first, because then if you put the other one first, it will be hard to reach it. And then you push on both sides. You push on both sides, try to do it simultaneously with same strengths, and then those clips over here, they just clip, they just close, and now it's locked. Okay? You don't want to apply too much force. If you feel like you have to apply too much force, it basically means you're pushing it incorrect way and you're gonna break either this or motherboard. This one feels like nice and durable, this ORICO. This is one of the best looking RAM I've ever seen. I definitely did not expect anything like that for $65, for $85. So this one is definitely incorrect, so it's like 1/4 inch off, right? This one is correct. So we're gonna put it right here. Only 2 slots, so in this case 2/16 make it 32. Okay, so they both clipped. Everything should be good. And now we have a computer with a 32 gig of RAM instead of 16. 32 gig of RAM is pretty much enough for everything. I would only suggest putting more than 32, like 48 or 64, only if you having like a, I don't know, over $2,000 computer. If you have anything less, 32 is more than enough. If you have like some basic computer for 700, 1000, this one I think was like $800, 32 gig of RAM is great. With 16, you'll be somewhat okay, but 32 is better. And definitely dual channel. This one came with single channel, which is bad. Now we're going to turn it on and see if it recognizes the RAM correctly. Now we're in the BIOS. You can see this ORICO RAM. It shows us DIMM 1, slot 1, 16 gigabyte, and slot 2 also 16 gigabyte. DDR5, 6400. 32 gigabyte total. I ran some tests and everything works great, no problems. For $85, this kind of RAM is amazing.